Have you guys been dying for some Taco Bell? I've made some keto copycat sauces from Taco Bell, and I'm gonna recreate their grilled chicken, Chipotle, avocado ranch burrito. That's a lot to say. I'm awaiting my order from Taco Bell so I can do a comparison. While I'm waiting, let me show you what I've already done. I started originally trying to make this Chipotle sauce using some form of recipe, but I knew it was going to be bad. I mean, they had 2 tablespoons of a powder and 1/4 of a cup of sour cream. It just didn't mesh well. So then I tried another Chipotle sauce recipe, and this one seemed to do the trick. I use 1/3 of a cup of sour cream, 1/3 of a cup of Primal Kitchen mayo because it's only avocado oil mayo. I did 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, onion powder, and smoked paprika. It said 4 tablespoons of adobo sauce, but I could really only get 2.5 in here, but that should be okay. And then 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. And I'm gonna whisk this up, and it looks pretty much like it though, whisking it. All right, let's see if I can do avocado ranch sauce. But this is gonna be more of a dressing, I guess. I'm gonna do 1/4 of a cup of this. You know, I wonder if I should do mayo. All right, I got my Primal Kitchen mayo. I'm gonna add 1.5 of that. Y'all, I didn't really think this through. Gonna do a little bit over a tablespoon of sour cream. And I'm just gonna use these Holy Guacamole packets, maybe just one, because it says it uses avocado puree. I was editing the video and I cannot believe I didn't stress enough how fantastic this avocado ranch is. If anything else you get from this video, make this. It's fantastic. Okay, I'm gonna be using Egg Life wraps because they are fantastic. 0 carbs, if you can see that. I'm gonna take the jalapeno ranch and the Chipotle. They look great, don't they? I'm gonna spread some on already, just at the beginning. Spread a little bit of the Chipotle. I don't wanna put too much on there. Next up, my gross shredded lettuce that I just had delivered. Little bit of tomatoes. I forgot, here's how I grilled the chicken. All I did was spray the pan with some avocado oil, and then I had sprinkled on some salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Gonna sprinkle in. Gonna do a little bit more lettuce because I know whenever the Taco Bell one comes in, it's gonna have lettuce all over it. Sauce. Y'all look at that. So good. And it's creamy. Okay, so it's a little lumpy. I'm sure you could fix that. I had no time. A little bit more. All right, guys, can you guess which one is keto and which one isn't? And will the keto version taste like Taco Bell? Let's find out. This one, if you saw in the thumbnail, this one is Taco Bell. I did put the Taco Bell one in an Egg Life wrapper as well. Taco Bell first, because you got to get the taste. They don't put enough of the sauce in there. I'm gonna try mine, which by the way, did look better. Let's taste it. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. That is so good. That Chipotle sauce is even better than the Taco Bell Chipotle sauce. I'm just gonna say it right now. You can taste the smokiness of the Chipotle. Okay, first off, in the Taco Bell competition, I think this one won out on taste. Now, does it taste like it? Yes, the texture's there, everything is there. I forgot to put cheese in. The only thing that's off is that the Chipotle has a little bit of a stronger taste, but you can adjust that in the sauce. Easy peasy. This grilled chicken, Chipotle, avocado, ranch, burrito has 47 carbs in it. And these tortillas are nasty. This one has about 1.5 to 2 carbs. That's all I'm saying. If you're gonna try this recipe, let me know, put it in the comments. Otherwise, if you want any more recipes, I'll pop one up here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.